Yeye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho mworigereria Bwensoko TV na gukwandire andonsia asore mbia mana soko choregeta sini kiga asobotuko bwiga bwe 30 hejuma yo mwerio yo mutenye go mutangani mwako yiga bwikiri bubere 25 nemo no gosaba kwa nanga kurwanda onsia asore kwa bero go kwegokya asiri tukeriga na boigo kogendra kubwatia emiroberi ya gendrida sembeo ya Nsoko TV nabona senchira bene ngo kwarigania asemesa eyama yakuru Nsoko ensa eyamo obotuko bwiga torigereria nararia ya aenekiwe kurwa se chinsemo au chinsinyenye chense hande mona seto kumurikira horobango rwagusi account ya Kisi account ya Nyamira na bego county chonsi emirongene na isano na ibira sabari kibaito bamangana babikire kambi kurwa se mambiare ngentambe wikachinga kechiga buno botambe nje nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri baga ya bakumbwata sia kurwa se studio ya kabergo chikoenekya amarigine chibichango chara senchirengia togo sabiro karanso iko benente kurbono wika omweria senge nchemesa yama yakuru Nsoko ensa eyamo achakira bon. Karibu sana mwancho murigere nyoroboigo amayayiga kuru Nsoko naboko yabwate gwetera se mitandao ito yekerero Facebook na YouTube na Nsoko TV tugochaka na roboti rokubwatia serikali ye county ya Kisi nsio buraibwayo mugavana Simba Arati nigo yachakire umurobiri bwo kwena na mabere gochia se chiskuru au choboroso cha serikali abwase habana bebirasi bya ECDE barabe bakwegwa amabere kila litukuria Jumatano na Ijumaa abana boda emerongene abuse chimi isano nemo 95 nigo bono bagochia ko bagosomba amabere ayo gochia se chiskuru asechi sub county chonsi ikomi neyamo murikito weekly forenge nero gotegore mesema yakuru Nsoko ensa eyamo otkobwarero
nasa magacho akisi ATC imiyo mochobo songo
achoke baramu ande chachi
abu ase serikali ya county ya Kisi insio buraibu ayo mugabana Paul Simbarati yachaka bene umuroberi gwo kwena na bene amabere gocha sabro ko ICD beche skuru che serikali chonsi miye county ya Kisi
tetinge libageli ya bene litanga niko bakira mbia mono mwensi goikaga goigo esebo emambye ya lero twa limire umusingi a safe factory ya mabere ekoroswa na aborire contractor ya Ntevi na within 6 months a factory eli ya bene
here it is beyond ya mabere aya igia today governor na pureke factory ya mabere gorogaria egocha current employment in this county
kako kwa nasoma igo nigo mugabana Paul Simbarati asingerere buna umurobero yubwo kwena na mabere gochia asabro ko ICD negatie chira chiri aliete kero alenge ko lya chikura
tu mpaka kianda ntoba mabere omwako muya na yeta mabere nyaya lima tega kitu ngonya rwanera I once KCC. I hope that test is the one which is in this current new KCC.
umurobero yubono nigora chie ko basira bale mibo botuge bechiombe kurwa asorogongo rwagusi abu asaba semigwe buna babwatero botuge bechiombe koboko
amabera akondo ngokobwate ngombe yao kobwate ngombe yao yelisibia tonye yao musuka tonye ebituma ebigundo ekera okanyo musuka ekera bago pima alcohol content eba batebe ngombe ye etinde temono kubwa ese program yons abantu abange mbaliku mbanyole Umuntu ngorikara umuntu w'ekinsiyaga. Umuntu ngorikare umuntu batema goreta amaji. Umuntu ngorikara umuntu gukama. Umuntu ekrimari ngorika kiro abantu bakoreta amabere kurwese ekrimari mpaka ga.
Abana bodaboda timu ya Kianda na 55 negati ya baria barachiko konyaka gwetera asumurobero yo abo asabarabe bagokoro basombi gochia asicskuru abo asaba kabuna buyabano ase serikali ya county ya Kisii ko banyora
tune sekta ya bodaboda gotore no magoko monene ese ni dorero kwara rikira bamura bago kolega sese turero taribo
abarai ao bari baikira na asomo sangerekano yo nigo bakamuna buyabano gochia serikali ya county ya Kisii asogo chake umurobero ngabno yo abo asabaro kigwa bange barachiko yogokera
banaruane sana anyole basari agate banate sana alente school feeding program enkamune gabano ikira ni ustra ikiranya o ikira ni ustra ikiranya was governor I have nothing much to say, just to say thank you very much as a program yega. And one of the greatest things that you talk about ngelinga na wanyeko ile program ya mabere talinga tu yachete KCC okenyole patia na boda boda bashirikishwe egera mabere kara ikire banyere chiskuru na banyole gento gake
bono nigo yatigere asaba ali mukweneke buna abana ba ICDE nkwego bara mabere ayo sinjere ndonge na kweneke buna gosoma bare asomokia ingo reporter ya Soko TV kurwa sobo katakati mu Chibusonge county ya Kisii Eritreane Wycliffe Orenge
inakuja ni
Toska hosio mwancho murigeria kurende tutigata sengane iyo yechisemino gosiro kwa bana bebirasi bya ECD itkoria rero nigo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii achakire beno murobero bo bagachiwe birasi ebyo bya ECD abo asiri tukoria rero baigora ekirasi ikyo hase eskuru yoboroso ya Ryangabi yo gotoka se wodi ebeno nsemo ebunge nyari bali chache county ya Kisii okwana ime yeskuru iyo nigo mugavana atebire buna obwagachiwe birasi ebyo nigo bono kera ewodi negati ye manifesto yaye iyo nyatoko bagakorera abamenyi be county ya Kisii ebirasi ebyo nigo bono birachi gutumeka na bana beke goriegeke abo ase bono abekire ororo eTV eri bachikorigereria chikatun emeito yokorarera nabo igo baigwe amabere ayora cheko bakonya kwegenderia semiroberio yabo chinga kecho nigo mu MC we wodi ebeno mushimiwa Steve Arika amusabiro mugavana nyari ko bagakobeka amache ase skuru iyo ya Ryangabi eri boigo ko bakonya boseko konya emiroberio ya kirarituko.
We gather to celebrate a promise fulfilled and a future secure. When I presented my manifesto to the people of Kisii, I pledged to invest in our children, their health, their education, and their future. This launch of ECD school feeding program, providing milk to our youngest learners, is a living testament to that commitment. This program is not just about milk. It's about justice, equity, and opportunities. It's about ensuring that every child, regardless of where they come from, has the right to grow strong, to learn with energy, and to dream without limits. Even to be answered to Kenya, Singapore to Kwana, Bonaro the answer in even if into the binge can't no mwemsi nungoi bachari ngenjugete lakini no monto miari asmangiche ndole krasi ikianam de tras motoro si krasi aka make sure kiabe ndaite mbatem eviras to cross we do kora face lifting to advertising every sign konyo abia rosigu binde bitarahera lakini nkabe kakere kras e millionaire tobeke ebine brasi bere kere word tiganeke ngona ndi brasi binde mbiroro bibere ya facility ima ese word ya ibeno nechi word chinde chonse esolebekwe etibebekwe amacha bekwe naboigo ebirogo biriye bike byabana beku nechi mattress kibekwe asa abana bakora bakura
already promising ibeno no benchmarking ekokolerwa twachire ko benchmarking because of that mugabana ito ekole mukune ekerasikia atakonye boli abana banyora mache. Because of that, tutageti kusaba bintu bingi kandi maitenjera toko bisaba ekana to bietiri ali assembly. Because of that, gabana ito na natako tobwatesia nani no bakomenti miaka ende etano. Because of that,
tukoska wesio mwanchu murigeria nasengana ichisemi murai wense William Ruto no murai wechisemi Julius Migosi nigo baikirana hase umuyaga wentunde ya gatano yokobekero guto kwa Borokobe University ya Uzima account ya Kisumu asibagendereire kwegerera emiroberio y'echisemi na korera emiroberio hebekire hiri guchya kwene kya Borokiwa abo barase chiskuru cy'obubundi hamwe n'iki university nkonyara bare ogosiro kuru ase serikali hiri kwegenderera ase chisemi cyabo wego nigo bakwanire igoro yeganga yokurikia Borokiwa bonsi begire digikomi aseba tebire okubwaterana hegati y'abarimu abayibori nabo iga serikali na kira cyekone kya ogwikirania kwa yonsi.
This institution's emphasis on the competency-based education, community-focused research, and service delivery has prepared you for the realities of healthcare in our region. The partnerships that Uzima has forged with Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital in Kisumu, the Kisumu County Referral Hospital, the Aga Khan Hospital in Kisumu, and international collaborators have enriched your training and broadened your perspectives. These linkages ensured that your learning was anchored in clinical excellence and responsive to local health needs. As you step into professional practice, you do so at a pivotal moment to our nation's health sector. Under the leadership of His Excellency the President, Kenya is undertaking bold reforms to re-engineer our health system, strengthening infrastructure, expanding access, and investing in the health workforce. Directive, we have been able to move our admissions from 92% last week to 98% yesterday, and we intend to move to the 100% transition policy as provided in our government policies by the end of today. I want to take this opportunity to urge all the principals to admit the students that are remaining, and we've also instructed our field officers to collect the data of all these students so that we can be able to do what is necessary to ensure that our mandate under Article 53 of the Constitution is done. To be patient as the ministry and the government works for a solution to ensure that our children will never again be denied education because of uniforms or lunch money or any other levies that are not provided for by government.
Guskabasyo mwanchumo rigeraria umuchando nigo gendrete kwene kiwa sechi skuru chechi secondary au imeyense echo cyari gati mu baro mone bwa Borokobe grade 10 egati skuru echo yamo yabone skuru yaba muraya Machakos aso mwarimu monene we skuru yo Benson Mano anyariko bakagwesoke na gotebanga nigo barigetie umubaro monene bwa Borokiwa chimisa chipose chimikyanda 50 na ababere hasebona tebire nigo yaringe mamincha na Borokiwa abo banyataka bakorikiwa se skuru yo aso mubaro wechi misano na isato na ikomi abakagere korikiwa wikirabonega.
And I mentioned that our capacity was 810 initially. That is the number of students approved. But when the pressure for the admission went up, we requested the ministry through the director secondary to increase our capacity, and they increased the capacity to 950. So that was approved because of the pressure of parents looking for chance in our school. And I think we really appreciate that kind of a gesture from the Minister of Education. So far we are okay with the numbers. I think with regard to the President's directive on reporting, we did not have a challenge because most of our students reported the first week, and the few that were remaining at home reported the second week. There were a few isolated cases. There were some students sponsored by JKF, for example, and other organizations who are needy. So those were admitted last week. And so by this time, we have no new students reporting because we are full house. The teaching and learning began a week ago, and we are doing.
Tukutikana na yechisemi mwanchu murigari yabona togosoa ase siasa nigo bono siasa entindi ya nyarkoba gekwene kiwa sensemo yekenyoro kyanyamage kigotoka se wadi ya Magwagwa nsemo ya bunge North Mugirango ime county Nyamira igoro ya bokoreri we county yo asomo igoyo oikiranwa muno mugavana Amos Nyaribo hamwe n'abaraibande nigo mugavana anyarkobaga kwerera emiroberi ya magendra anyarkobaga gwikirania ekera baraibande bakira baraibande banyarkoba baguyakira ekoko ase okomochia umugavana so gutaikirania igati yemiroberi murikito Steven Nyariki agotumanya senchiro bwikirana
nase homoyega bwa matanga yoko mwenya arisibikani ase wodi ya Magwagwa bunge ya North Mugirango me ya Nyamira ase siasa cha Nyamira cha betanse engwana yeyoto mwana yokoriekero kyo gavana Nyamira Walter Chanua komochia bwa Nyamira nigo ya tuguterwa iskor Nyamira moske Amos Nyaribo oyuera magendra ikiranirie na kweranga eragerero tige chiche Nyamira
ena chiraiga na tumirwe no moske okobori bogava no ko Walter Chanua mumaita Walter Chanua Your Excellency abanda wana ringeme sebayegeri bakunya koga ebaba tebange bari nchara sana naende bamwanyeranga abawaziri aba ona wa chief officer kwa batigera kende gata bagutara babanda babandi terimoyo tingo kwa mwana mange tigande benga Nyamira deserves better. Nyamira ne wenda kusuka mutwe, Nyamira ne wenda kwa huna Kirinyaga, huna Kisumu, huna Homa Bay.
Igo mumanye ngokora tore gazi na senzo tayiro tangasa mono abande baza utana Nyamira gasteyo no musinaro tendana gasteyo korekana nama itena ngie gazi ite yana korite gazi ogatabe gazi owajigoborio wa MCA boke bacha wono injoko ruserio bororo
Mwago na batokoro musaberanga nyasa makonya kore tamu yae ande mogwanja na nyasa ogwanja na anda mentu yo maherio
ase abamenyi bari baganiye sero
so encherabona ni nyakora ire banta baraiga inche marangiri arinka Kireke nyoro Aya toacha ko bora anda nyoro kumatore gota
ekereke kyo nigo mugavana Nyaribo eremeroberie abekire hanne mono yogosira aborokiwa ba ECD nerongori
School nile Goroku Kenyere Comprehensive School. School area ataro gireti. Kimati ya Excellency hapa na usema anyo goro kichili kichapune school yere.
Mondonaro kwa na yore school Kenyere. Primary ni secondary asobwa achibesa chira somo chumba. Oyo wekero mo chumba matebi na Kenyere school ngo gwere. Igasi nasari ikina akono mwako yongere na roisi erongori ekoroisi una kiridi ebuate minerals eti minerals yo chiyo konya abana abataka batata nyore balance diet obongo bokine bago kino nyoye babwate chinguru cho gotegeramu classroom mwegure na embaria njare ko ribata bezukuru nabeko bairania ngotaribuya
asense moyo bwagachibwe chipara Nyamira
aki anya mwegure benta mangwa ubire ino moko anya benta mbio karabara chio sirimo bigokora yebo yeso yende
asubo tutukanu bororo asomoroberi bobweni osha
omwakwa rero ya shate yokara Sha ya President Ruto, national government. Sha ya county government.
Na siasa cha North Mugirango.
Gotogwa na chikole cha 2027. Chama ya itera atokere no mheshimiwa Matiang'i. Ekoro kuchubiri. Aincha moja mondi gere muchucho. Umata muchucho. Erito chakara kurmaega. Etara cheria simwangi getiroje ande monta boki. Ono njengo kubaire boire lyoka. Inche mwarango bukuryo karyoka. Omwako yome wantambukia.
waiwete ngomusiko musonga tebira ngatete koirorere kirasi mondo koirorere kirasi ngitoko moroka ngo mwanje irorere kirasi ekiagera tigaswe wetuosio.
Stephen Nyarike Monde, Ensoko TV North Mogrango county ya Nyamira.
Toska bosiokura se county ya Nyamira mwanchu murigaria tokurena se county ya Nairobi amatuka make aitiremaga humura wiki magia DCP Rigathi Gachagua kusaga no ase kanisa hema sarenge gusasima senseme ya fire digabarai abo bakwamiria serikali bagikeire egakorekyo abari abo nigo bono bakoro kurobekana wikase OBC enene ya magacha banyanyimbo ase bono bagosereria guchia koene kya ukurobekana konene me yensengima onye he kiombekyo kyabasikari tekuri guchia koene kya gokora obutuki boisaino muri kitolini tinyambane nwerenga senseme yo robotiro ya senchiro wikira.
Arai bensemo ikwamiririe serikali bakorire taro yokurubikana aso mucho Nairobi wika asa magacho amanene ye nyumba ya abanyanyimbo ase baumirana no mu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja ase baira okwemurungani kwabo kubwatekana n'obusagani obwabere bogokorekana chinga kibare ase chinsemo ao anene cyogusasima.
We were mobilized by 2 police vehicles from the county of Nairobi to go all the way to Nyeri to kill Rigathi Gachagua. We shall call for mass action. The church, Kenyans, kila mahali. Because this is clear. If we don't stop this thing now, there will not even be any election. We know these are scare tactics.
I think we have faced the IG head on with his people and looked at him straight in the eye and told him the attack at Wetima Church on Sunday in Othaya was not an ordinary attack. It was an assassination attempt targeted towards Rigathi Gachagua, sanctioned by William Ruto, planned by Kipchumba Murkomen and Eliud Langat, and a special squad of police officers called Nairobi Sierra of 12 officers was dispatched to eliminate us in charge.
Asege ikarekyo gyakorekana igatiyo mu Inspector General amona barayabu abariki bamangana amaya nigo batangwa gosoa egento kirera abarayabu gukwanira isiko ya magachayo maega yege ikarekyo asebono bagikiri ebikore by'abanyanyimbo gusagana abakenya.
Kenya, we reminded the police service, is a constitutional democracy. The role of the Kenyan police is to be impartial, not to take instructions from William Ruto. Kenya will never be allowed to be Haiti. We have said if the police are working hand in hand with goons, there will be no difference as far as Kenyans are concerned. So we are afraid of our own police officers. We should be protecting every Kenyan, not just leaders, but every Kenyan under the Constitution is entitled to security, to protection against kuharibiwa mali yao na vitu kama hivyo.
Chinga kiechecho abarayabo nigo baruro kogosereria onye amagani abo tari guchigwikiranigwa gwikira chitariki 15 nemo cyumutinyu okabere nigo barachigokora okorobekana okonene ensengima.
We have told the IG that before we come back on the 16th, those members of that unit need to be arrested and disarmed and taken to court, and he must give that assurance. And we have said that if this situation continues after 16th, hatutakuwa na lingine la kufanya ni kuitisha maandamano katika Jamhuri ya Kenya until Kipchumba Murkomen is removed from office, IG Kaja is removed from office, and the 2 DIGs are removed from office, and the National Police Service can be put back into order.
All the human rights organizations, the UN itself, wajue that indications in Kenya now are that we do not have a police service. We have a country under goonism. We said it and we repeat, if you touch any national leader and assassinate any national leader a few months to the next general election, this country will never be the same again. But we love this country.
We want the National Police Service to get out of goonism, to get out of dirty political work, to go back to their mandate, utumishi kwa wote, to provide security to everybody irrespective of their political affiliation.
ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi iritariane Linet Nyambane.
Mwancho morigereria gwikira wono tuyiko mweria sensemega entangani na mange nkwariganiritie ase ensemo ya kabiri tunyarako bakugusukara sengenchomo bisomane nase ewizara yobwarani bwa mang'ana yekerero Steven Sabo kiritukoria rero nara umuroberio ojitume digital asorogongo rwagusi murikito Pethuel Machini ori kwarigania roboti rutuchikoronyora asenchira yobo ikero nkore nanda asege kagetari getambe.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Ine asama kia ya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakira lituko bwomugusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburuga lisamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomugusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi asomoroberio wikiage kyomugusi nobe bokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakonyorera engere yabo ya kera litko tomocha
Ebagoteba ngo yogoseka omwerio nero goseka buya maiga yokonyora mang'ana mange korwa asegeteseni kiago sigetegia Ensoko TV bonigo yaikirenga kingo koreta ng'anya sae nigo ndakoretera omurobiri korukunga amegerio yebeberia omurobiri nigo ndaorete amuna basomba banyasae abwastura ko batukwegera lingana asobwagare nantaria yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noborori ntunyare koba tukurwa ayankira lituko lye sabato lya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyasae ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni
abanda abange bakure because wesibulemo ochiko kumoita
what a right yokubaboli nganki bakonerio bulemo
paka abandi bakoliga n'emioro no ichire nyomba umuntu nsechindo ndoko koro konya okorre pita bwati gende bweita
amakweli yo gwichanya chisegi okwego kyo konge no bolebi no gutumya amaryogo yo gutindia
barenge kenywe kya
chinko machintindi kubwatekane mebasokano yechibara wetrase chipigipigi ogotama na kubura kuro chinka chiabo asemya kemenge
bandigireza abana bagwa kagenda bakabona itana gocha bakabana bakababanta bano
amuno butakobwere negative bikorwa bigendere tukubwatrenia abasai bari bakonya marimo ase chinsemo ao imeyorogomo vagusi
gakoni litanga jibese iki ali chiere elia kabere na ache naenda arorenga nari gusukia keiga osebese nenkonye kwanyora naende oniri elia kabere wone kera oniri obulimo lero muna marima akeire kwanyora obulimo bwakorireki waelire ne kera obulimo bwaelire ogimba bono mboye sari omonto ogenda nebisima rende tokunyete oigore gesima osoima
ine ningi kusikiagarira ebikoro nebi kogenderera kuiremeri omurike itobo bonengia Daniel Omwaga negairire meri gutukuria asobweme na gwasyo kinganeye teneni
buri abantu bari ground ngaki ine obule muboiga mbuota mangana ndons kugaraiga na bagota binga yayo boiga mbuote bina abantu mpaye abantu barwanire mu kiyoga abantu bayitanire
tomo cyago sonche getesini kiao kia bene Gensoko TV ime yomurobelyo bumugondo bwamakweli bwerere maiso marore no bwichanire bikorwe bi Gensoko TV uburuso bumugusi magega ya televisioni Gensoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuraria asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 Eye Gensoko TV uboroso bumugusi
Mwancho mwaligereria karibu sana sense mega ya kabere mesamba ya kuru Gensoko ensa emo biyamana soko gendra gosangana into na bono tokoskabo siasa robot rokobwatia muraiwense ya Kenya William Ruto nigoritukoria rero acha kebene ubwaga chibwechi nyomba chiri gorirense entunde akabera sensemo ya Kanyakwar ibe county ya Kisumu hasa tebire serikali yaye nigo yabekire shilingi chibilioni 45 ase county yo nigo bono haruro kobore gochiase abarai na bega bananchi komubwatasia asokoria kogenderia amagendra yo asobwango.
Lakini nilisema lazima pia nifike hapa Kanyakwar, kwa sababu tulikubaliana na nyinyi ya kwamba wakati tunabadilisha Kenya lazima tubadilishe Kisumu. Ni kweli? Kenya ibadilike, lakini Kisumu ibadilike zaidi. Ama mnasemaje? Ndio. Mimi nataka niwashukuru sana. Mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba mbele na nyuma, juu chini, kulia kushoto, hii Kisumu lazima tubadilishe. Mnajua nilikuja hapa Kisumu, ile majengo tunajenga pale, si ndio? Ngojea. Ngojea tuta baadaye ongeza. Hapa Kisumu County, pesa ile tumeweka Kisumu County ya kujenga manyumba, ya kujenga masoko, ya kujenga hostels ya vijana wetu ni shilingi bilioni 44. Tukizeni bwana. Tukizeni. Hakuna administration ingine ambayo imeweka pesa bilioni 44 hapa Kisumu County. Na ndio sababu hiyo mimi nawaeleza ndugu zangu watu wa Kisumu, hii mpango itatusaidia kupata ajira ya vijana. Nikiongea na nyinyi hapa, hii mjengo yote hapa kwa Kisumu County tuko na housing project 14,000 manyumba, tuko na soko 20, tuko na hostels ya vijana 10,200. Tunaelewana? Na hiyo kazi yote, hiyo program yote inaajiri vijana zaidi ya 15,000 hapa Kisumu County.
tuguskabosio mwancho murigeria asoborendi ensi ya Kenya hamoneri ya USA nigo yaenekire okubwatira na sorongoro Africa mocha unenchiremo yogochiago gotinya oborendi ase ensemo yokurwania ababegu aboge bikora bikoboria oborendi ase enseme iga aya niga gocha maiga yokobekwa riginario musingi asoko igora enchira ya Banda Bay iwe kutoka ase ensemo ya county ya Lamu. Mwaziri Monene Musalia Mudavadi, mwaziri otendrete oborendi bose defense Mheshimiwa Rosalinda Soipantuya nomokonyi bo omuriki hase department ya US Christopher Landau negati yabarai bari bakira na sense meyo unenchire mu yogotinya okwenekia oborendi mbochiko kongi kwa sense meiga erinde kubatuguterare ababego.
It is a huge honor for me to be here today at the groundbreaking of this truly historic runway project. Let me just underscore that we in the United States are very grateful to Kenya for allowing us to be here alongside you and participate in this project. As the General just noted, these security challenges are ones that we share. We're on the same side. This is really an attack on our civilization. And we have to show those who would attack us that we are resolved to defend ourselves.
To the Kenyans who are here and who are witnessing what we are doing today, this is an asset supported by the Americans, working with the Kenyans, and the Americans will not upgrade it and take it to another destination. It will continue to be an asset in this country, a piece of infrastructure for security and for supporting the economy.
Prolonged political fragility in parts of the Horn of Africa continues to generate displacements, insecurity, illicit flows, and transnational threats that demand coordinated and collective responses. Kenya and the United States have long worked together to address these evolving security challenges. And our partnership has especially been critical in countering violent extremism, enhancing maritime security, safeguarding critical sea lines of communication, and supporting regional stability operations.
Tukutikana na yoborendi kurase county ya Lamu mwanchumurigeria tukurana se county ya Kisii na buna enchira eyamo yogo ikirania umuroberio bwokogenda ekerero nigo mobsomo na se wizara obwerani bwa mangana na boigo emangana yekerero Steven Isaboke haraire umuroberio bwokurata elabye chi computer chekerero ime school kwena na maigerio yobobundi ya Kisii ase umuroberio omanyakanete buna gitume digital uyora cheko konya abasae wetane chiribu isato habo banyorete chibesa cyumuroberio onyota wenyora emirimo gwetera senjera yemitandao nonye nechinse chisco nigo bono hatebire hechini chingaki chamagendro korenta bosicho korenta amagendro kurende tali chingaki cha siasa muri kitopetu el machini agotumanyia senjera weekend.
Excellency in 3, 2, 1 pesa tukoni.
Neritikeri marioka maiga yumuraibwenso muskwira mruto wo igorabene omoroberi bwo guchaki ukwenanwa wichibesa chikigancha kianyota uchia saba sahe eri guchaki obonchuria ame county ya Kisii.
His Excellency the President was actually here yesterday to launch the Nyota capital disbursement project, where he actually pressed the button, and the beneficiaries for Kisii County, who are about 3,820, and for the 3 counties that were here, which also includes Migori and Nyamira, who are about 8,800, all got 25,000. That was split between 22,000 going into Poch La Biashara of the individuals that benefited, another 3,000 each going into savings. So I came to join the President and all the other government officials to witness that event.
Itskurero mwabiso manene asamangani obwerania nobutumeki bwekerero Steven Isaboke anyakaboga kuigura bene omoroberio gitume digital hapo imeye skuru yokwena na mumaigere yobubundi ya Kisii sabasaye wetane chiminye baratkunyaka bakonyora mumaigere ye computer ile banyaka bakurigemermo asinchero yekerero
One of the 5 pillars of the current 5th administration of President William Ruto is actually digital superhighway and creative economy. That digital superhighway had a national target and a local implementation expectation. Nationally, we were targeted to roll out 100,000 kilometers of cable and also open digital hubs in 1,450 of the county ward rep level across the country. And in addition to that, His Excellency the President also committed 25,000 free Wi-Fi again across the country.
Komente nayo nigo isabuke nyakoboga kubika teneni mirobiri serikali begete nsemo yokwena kinga internet ngo chirko nyakaboge kubekwa eryo korobya obokorrio bwo.
In Kisii County, the best example, because sometimes you talk and people say but we haven't seen it. The best example is the Chitume Center here that we were in. This center has got 100 computers. This center processes shifts of 100 students per shift, and shifts can be anything 2 to 4 hours, and in a day they can shift maybe 3 to 4 shifts in a day. And what I'm told now from the center manager, those are numbers I'm given, they've trained nearly 380, almost 400 students who have actually learned and graduated.
Asibono nyakoboga kuburia serikali chonsi kubwaterana na kubeka siasa nsemo eri gwikirania magendero agocha saba na inchi ananimono ime county ya Kisii.
Ntobaito tomente ini omorembe tomente ini no botohereru ingaki yabono iga ningaki amagendero ngaki yabono iga taringa kia siasa aba mwakwana bagojotena mwana ichikura mbaje batangase ngaki yo bono iga tulisa poli turige limono mono tokonya abana baita basaya baito na rugusina barabange tokonya abantu baito toreta magendero amagendero yagocha by combination ya county government na national government na ko tegera koranga mbintu kikabera konya abantu baito kama magendero abeire kanga kia siasa igwika na abantu bari batete gotena na babatena because inse ite democratic.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasi skuru yokwena na mwigeri yobo bundi ya Kisii ime county ya Kisii Nchepethuel Machin.
Bemuno murikito Pethuel Machini na roboti urasenchira wikirana. Mwancho murigeria togotamboka kurwase county ya Kisii. Togoso county ya Nyamira asomo jumbe wense moye bunge ya West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mugaka igemarkoba ya lero hanyarekoba gakobwato kachipesa shilingi chimillion usechi basari che shilingi chimillion ibere nukta ya mogochia se skuru ya maigerio yobo bundi ya West Mugirango TVC ere ime ya nyegesa asense moye bunge bune nchira moyo kubasira barokiwa kwegandere ni chisemi chabo
gotwacha kuigorera chibesa chie basari chichigokonya abana baita skuru na kubainyoringa esa ulibono tubwata abana ba grade 10 bali tutabwato form 1 umwaka ulia asa constituency ya West Mugirango igotwa konye tabana ne kibasari chia 45 million shillings umwaka uyu te ekogered etwe toma nga mwana ndo West Mugirango tabaise kokosa kogende skuru tabaise go postpone amatemwaye asa university college gichasa bete basari igo mwaka uyo igotwareta 75 million shillings to kwa abana baito buna kibasari na inde twaruera kibese kiase college ya ito yobo fundi ya West Mugirango iriganya igesa inyora ngana ngeretie abana bali batabwati amagisi ya ki university baikeberikie ase college umwaka ulia igotwa konye tabana barenga gosoma bakeigoga ne kibesa shiringi kimi 600,000 umwaka uyu isa ulinabo goreti abana bane bonse na bari bande bataraso college kamuranja yerera igotoko ba support ne basari ya 2.1 million shillings egara abana baito baba chifundi abana baito baba makanika abana baito baba engineer igona litwa konye gesako undo tasabete basari shauri yako eko era karo toko batebinga sabachibesa intue torago korera kiro monto tutali gochora tutali gochaya tage tukubakira abantu bane ba media ngambu yemono asichinga kichionse mwabeire moko na gutara na intwe twakonyire constituency ya West Mugirango nero yatanganete asa abana babuja kogende university kenyingima West Mugirango nero go deliver abana bange kubwa ene
Mancho murigeria kwikiragwo no tugikira omwerio bwemesa yamaya kurwa Ensoko ensa eyamo endra gutwara hoborigerio bya bwemerobire gendota sembeo Ensoko TV igikoraga chinsa isato kuri nandege gato sangaiga negati ya yonda mange chenkoro kwa Clinton ndigi asali baga riaye Brian Achaka, Felistas Kabendi na Barnabas Ondari na ubango nyakwene kiamero gine chivicha ngochara senchirengia.